How do we discover what wellness really means? What does it take not just to survive, but to also thrive? We understand there are many factors that influence overall health and well-being. These factors are just now beginning to be studied in detail by researchers around the world. One visionary project is a new study called the Wellness Living Laboratory, or WELL. Through a $10 million unrestricted gift commitment from Amway to Stanford University for the Nutrilite Health Institute Wellness Fund, Stanford University's Prevention Research Center established WELL, a unique, long-term clinical study that will examine dietary, lifestyle, and other factors that can impact wellness and contribute to healthy aging. Nutrilite actively supports the growing body of scientific research on the potential positive effects that diet and lifestyle habits can have on our overall health and wellness. There are two more examples of nutrition research that Amway and Nutrilite support. In 2014, the Nutrilite Health Institute released the Global Phytonutrient Report. This report reveals most adults worldwide fall short of consuming the recommended daily amounts of fruits and vegetables. That shortfall can lead to fewer phytonutrients in our diets that ultimately can have an impact on our ability to achieve optimal health. In 2015, we also supported the Malnutrition Mapping Project, a digital map that can help people fully understand the double burden of obesity and undernutrition across more than 30 countries. It's important to better understanding how diet and other factors can influence wellness and healthy aging. Our mission is helping people live better lives. As global leaders in nutrition, we look forward to learning how new research about wellness can help people around the world improve their potential for achieving optimal health.